Hey guys, today we are going to learn how to add your location on Snapchat. First, you need to click on the profile icon. This is our account. We need to click on the public profile here. Then let's click on the pencil icon. This is location. Let's click on location. Here they want us to add the city. Let's write Kampala. Kampala, then county. Kampala still. Kampala, then the country, Uganda. Then we will need to save the changes by going back. Guys, we have saved the changes. As you can see now, the location is there, Kampala, Kampala, Uganda. And that's how you can add location on your Snapchat. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please comment and like the video. See you in the next one.